I certainly hope those backup fusion shunts are in good shape today. Don't you find this all rather fascinating?
Yes, I'm Dr. Rosenberg.
Right.
I had a bunch of messages for you, but we had a system crash about 20 minutes ago.
Shouldn't you be guarding some donuts and coffee right about now?
Don't make me do this.
No. Good morning, Gordon. We just sent the sample down to the test chamber. The administrator is very concerned that we get a conclusive analysis of today's sample. I gather they went to some lengths to get it. I'm afraid we'll be deviating a bit from standard analysis procedures. My God, what are you doing? Oh dear! No! Please! Stop!
Just one of those days, I guess.
I seem to be wounded, but I can keep going.
Yes, I'm Dr. Rosenberg.
Meanwhile...